The freebie is an opportunity to test emergency operations plans, protocols, or procedures addressing food emergencies, whether they're intentional or unintentional events.
The project is about trying to ultimately improve communication and collaboration amongst all the stakeholders involved in foodborne emergencies or foodborne incidents.
Whether it's an intentional attack to the food supply or its inherent contamination, I think we recognize that the impacts economically and the impacts from a public health standpoint can be dramatic and devastating.
The FDA, working with the Institute of Food Technologists, state and local regulatory and public health agencies, the federal regulatory and public health agencies, as well as industry, and the risk communicators, designed 5 different emergency response scenarios. They're called tabletop exercises.
They did an excellent job because we had a manual on our table, we had a copy of the slides, we had questions, and they just immediately jumped into putting the onus on us to think this through and what would we do and what experience do we have and sharing that. So no time was wasted. It was a very efficient way to do this.
I was trying to learn what is the industry perspective when these sorts of incidents happen, what's a government perspective, and then as communicators, how can we better explain what all of this means to the people who are ultimately getting the food.
It's bringing together people and also bringing them together so they know what is the capacity of your local state.
The request for use of the tool has been it's been paramount. They want the tool. They want to be able to practice. I've had requests and emails and verbal conversations and phone calls. We want it. We want to host an exercise.
I think people are going to realize what an invaluable tool we have here. I think they're going to determine that it's very realistic, and I also think that they're going to determine that it's well worth their time in participating in this program.